now we're grading the ginger.
Cooking Mama, cook star.
Today we're cooking a dish I was waiting for a long time. Tonkatsu,
Here we go.
Japanese pork
Let's
cutlet
go.
with gravy.
Let's get
There's actually
started.
chicken cutlets too and beef cutlets, but the traditional is pork cutlet, that's true. So the pork, I'm gonna do that. Tonkatsu, or like me and my friends used to
Get
say,
set, go.
Knusperli, let's go. Pork. Cut the pork, cut the pork, cut the pork. Does pork always look like that,
Almost
or does
there.
it just me who finds the pork a little unhealthy? Like, very white? Anywho. Tenderize the meat. Oh, we can beat the shit out of the meat.
Ready, get set, go.
What did you say to my mother? What did you say to my... Actually, I don't mind. Those, I just wanna hit you. What
That's skill.
did you do to my... to me? I saw how you touched my girl there.
Come on,
Oh.
you can do it. Wow,
Mm.
great job.
I think that pork will never touch me and my family again. Next step, make breadcrumbs. You can't tell me what to do. Alright, that's the same
Ready,
thing with
get
the
set,
super
go.
sensitive, so I'm just... I SMH. How is this the possibility?
There is a standard possibility.
How is this possible?
You can do it.
Ah. Ah.
Hurry up.
I'm not good at this. Woohoo! Done!
I think you should have your own game.
I think so too. Okay. Next step. What was next step? Shit, I didn't
Ready?
read that.
Get
Oh,
set,
don't have.
go.
Oh, it's the egg thing. Move carefully. I didn't move at all yet. That's good.
Perfect.
Thanks.
Here you go.
No, little more.
Oops.
I
Don't
splashed.
give up.
Ah.
Careful.
How can you not splish after that?
Hurry up.
That's good.
Getting
Can we do
better.
one more? Can we do one more?
Another one.
We
Look at
can.
that.
Holy fuck. Yeah. Eat my cream.
Looks delicious. Mama's jelly.
Oh.
Let's get started.
Coat the cutlets. Alright. Oh.
Ready? Get set, go.
So just for that we had to beat the eggs, seriously. But now we are covering it in flour and egg and the crumbs, the classical crust making in any fried thing, actually. So it's really nothing special. But actually what they use is not just breadcrumbs like they
Doing
have here, but
great.
they use panko, which is a special kind of breadcrumbs. It's a little thicker,
Almost
more
there.
fluffy almost. And yeah, I love it. I truly believe that the panko is the
Hurry.
secret.
You've got it.
Sometimes it just stops moving, I swear to God.
Time's
It
up.
really stopped moving! There's nothing I could have done differently.
Not bad.
Freaks. Fry the cutlets. Move the stick to reselect to select ingredients and move them up to onto and grill. Up to, onto, and off the grill.
Ready? Get set, go.
That's not a grill, that's a fryer. In there. Up, 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 up. Change. How can they be in different times? I put them all in order chronologically. How can they
Looking good.
be done
It is
earlier?
Looking good. You've got it. Awesome.
But seriously, pork cutlets, delicious. Go and eat
It's
them
perfect. Mama's impressed.
whenever you can. They're so good. They go perfectly with curry and stuff. Really. And on top of rice with
Let's
eggs.
get it ready to share.
Can I delete? Oh, that's... Oh, tonkatsu sauce. They have a sauce for everything, so also for tonkatsu. Perfect.
Wow.
I don't even know what it is.
Say cheese. Great photo.
Some say Worcestershire sauce, but it's just
Beautiful.
tonkatsu sauce, really. Bulldog sauce. They're all different sauces. Anyhow,
Wabi sabi.
Rabi Sabi, 87% for my favorite dish.
You
I
got a new
take it.
recipe.
Oh, the
Let's get
Pokeball.
cooking. Let's
Made
go.
to order. What was that? Made to order,
I'm
yeah.
getting
Make
hungry.
sushi rice. Oh, that's a Pokeball. Alternate
I'm
between
getting hungry.
fanning and cutting the rice. Move the Joy-Con vertically to cut and make stick horizontally for.
Ready?
I'm so sleepy.
Get set, go.
Vinegar. What do I do? I think I spread it.
Wow, slow down.
And I fan it.
Doing great.
I never made rice that way.
Keep it
I mean,
up.
I did a lot of things with rice. Even mochi. Like
You
that.
can do it.
Alright, nowadays they all have rice cookers at home. So why would you need to do that, right?
Hooray, Mama's impressed.
But in the days they used to do that. Yeah, and still in the sushi restaurants they do it that way. And that tastes so much better. You can taste the difference, you can. Follow the shown gestures. Okay.
Ready?
Set, go! Cut. Whoop. Turn it. Cut it.
Almost
Get rid of
there.
that happy part, I don't know why. And take it out. I think that's the fastest avocado pull ever.
Wow, even better than Mama.
Even better than all the others people's. Gosh, I'm dead. Seriously. Move the Joy-Con in the direction of the cut to slice up the ingredients. Okay, let me do that. I can do that. One more time.
Ready? Get set, go!
Okay. Slice it. That's it, I guess. Yep, all of them. Now happened what I had always nightmares
Here you
about.
go.
Salmon is in the poke too. In cubes, okay. This Joy-Con is weird.
Another one.
Cucumber or cucumba, as some say.
Or as they call it in Jamaica, cucumba.
Don't give up.
Boom. And last but
Just
not
one
least,
more.
oh, green onions, sure. That's a lot of cutting.
Hurry up.
I'm done. I can't hurry up when I'm done, can I?
Wonderful. Better than Mama.
Thanks. Now we're grating the ginger. That's what it looked
Ready?
like, at least.
Get
Oh, we
set,
really
go.
are. Working with ginger. It's again that one. How can now it be that much sensible? Like I really have to move it
Don't give
only
up.
slightly. But when it comes to cutting, for instance, and
Looks delicious.
opening cans,
Mama's jelly.
it is not. What is wrong? Make the marinade. Okay, marinade. Move the stick to
Let's
select
get started.
ingredients. You can tell me what you do. Well, you can, but I will maybe not do.
Ready? Get set,
Oh, the
go.
salmon's already in there. Green. Is it all green? Yeah, it's all green. Joy-Con, you're weird.
Spectacular.
Sesame oil was that, and there you go. That is
Amazing.
grated ginger,
Almost
and now we're
there.
adding
That's it.
mirin. Oh, mirin is good. It's so hard to get mirin here around.
すごいね.
Sesame seeds,
Hurry.
and last but not least,
Great.
tamari. Not even I know what tamari is. And now we mix our shit up and receive some beautiful Pokeball.
Let's get it ready to share.
Oh, cute! Look at that cutie pie. Pokey would like that too. That's the perfect. You're the perfect place to be. Avocado. No, you already have that, fuckers. We already had pickled ginger. We have green onions. Masango. Oh, we have. That's not masango. Is it masako? No, it's a my tortilla chip. How does a tortilla chip fit in here? Probably here?
Awesome. Clap it like it's hot.
Most
Amazing.
pretty Pokeball
Wow.
ever had
Amazing.
in my life. Come on. Did I
I
perfect
think
everywhere?
you should have your own game.
Yes! Thanks, Pokey.
You got a new
Oh,
recipe.
sushi platters. Okay, shout out to Pokey if she sees that. Thank you for your help. Beet hummus with bagel.
Let's
Beet hummus
go.
with bagel chips.
Here we go.
A colorful snack.
Let's get cooking.
Sliced St. Louis style. Ooh, what is St. Louis?
Ready, get set, go.
Huh? That's what I mean. Cutting is one of the hardest things to do in cooking mama. It really is.
You can do it.
So believe me, try for yourself and tell me if I'm wrong. And I'm not wrong.
Hurry up.
So that's in Louis style. Huh.
Whoa, you are the real hero.
The St. Louis guy got some style. Seasoned chips. Sure. Shake till done. I'm gonna shake you
Ready,
till you done.
Get set, go.
Salt. Shake, shake, shake.
Such
perfect.
skill.
Black pepper. Sure. I still
Great.
wonder what seasoning actually does. Italian seasoning. I really do.
Spectacular.
Because I don't know. And then you mix them all? Like, what does
Looks
each
delicious.
individual spice even
Mama's jelly.
contribute? Contribute? I don't know. Like,
Ah,
I'm generally confused what spice does in food. I don't know. It sure gives a stronger flavor, a different flavor.
ready, get set, go.
Ah, yeah.
Come
What
on,
is wrong
you
with the
can do
other
it.
flavor? I mean, yeah, I'm talking blah blah.
Hurry.
Don't say hurry! We want them chips to be good. Is it chips actually? Open chickpeas and beets. Oh no. Oh no. My nightmare
Ready,
has come.
Get set, go.
I have to open a can. Huh. Blup, blup.
Look at that.
Really?
Another one. Almost there. Hurry.
Can anyone of you
That's it.
write in the comments how I'm supposed to do that?
Almost done. Time's up.
Because that fucks me up. That fucks me up all the time.
Well done.
Fuck that shit. Use the Joy-Con to shake ingredients. I'm gonna use your head
Ready?
to shake
Get
my
set,
ingredients.
go.
Okay. Shake, shake, shake.
You can do it.
Because I checked with the beans last time and I didn't get the full points, which I totally deserved. But anyhow,
Hurry up. You did
I'm
it.
not complaining. Yes, I am.
It's perfect. Mama's impressed.
Collect ingredients. Collect ingredients from where?
Ready?
Oh, that's what I'm supposed
Get
to play. I can do that.
set, go.
It's got this pick piece in the middle, and we're gonna add. I
Perfect.
have to change the Joy-Con. Greek yogurt followed by
Wow.
beets, followed by
Don't give up.
paprika.
すごいね.
SMH, shaking my head.
Hurry up.
Lemon juice.
Great job. Amazing.
Got my glass peeled. I have to tilt the whole Joy-Con upside down. That's not
Wonderful.
supposed to
Better
be
than Mama.
happening. I don't know, Joy-Cons are cute and stuff, but I'm not a big fan of it. Yeah, I said it. I'm not a big fan of a Joy-Con. I mean, they're incredibly sensible with the gyro sensors, but or at least not in this
Ready,
for a game.
Get set, go.
Here, the Wii remote has been better than that, and that's just a sad story. SMH.
Come on, you can do it.
That meme is out. Means it's good.
Hurry.
Holy fuck. That's time up? No, good.
Whoa, you are the real hero.
Yeah. I can't take you seriously no more. I have to take you down.
Let's
Oh,
get
that
it
actually
ready
looks
to
cool.
share.
Let me add some bagel chips. What about here? I think that's a good place for a bagel chip. Oh. Actually, I would not like it that way, because I am certain that those
love
bagel
it.
chips then would take over
Show the world your masterpiece.
the flavor of the cucumbers. And I wouldn't
Look
like
at
them
that.
no more.
Don't forget to tag Mama.
What do we get? The can.
Very nice.
It's again the can that crosses my plans
You got a new
to make a
recipe.
perfect dish.
I'm getting hungry.
Okay, but anyhow, today's episode, as yesterday's, is gonna be a little shorter, because next week I'm gonna continue with that page. We're gonna make poutine, I believe, Canadian dish, which I kind of like actually. And also we're making sushi, so that's looking forward to, isn't it? I hope we're making sushi next time, if not the over next time. Anyhow, depending on how long I take for the poutine and stuff, right? And depending on what Putin says, I have the longer for Putin. Anyhow, yeah.
I'm getting hungry.
All right. Anyhow, see you next time. Bye.